Welcome back to Cars Trends. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Toyota Corolla, a car that has become synonymous with reliability, affordability, and practicality over the years. While the Corolla has long been a go-to choice for drivers looking for a dependable compact sedan, the 2025 model takes things to a new level with modern updates, improved performance, and enhanced technology. Whether you're considering it as your first car or as a daily commuter, the 2025 Corolla promises to deliver an experience that suits a variety of needs and preferences. Let's dive into what makes this car stand out. Right from the outset, the 2025 Toyota Corolla makes a bold statement with its sleek and modern exterior design. While it retains the classic compact sedan proportions that made the Corolla so popular, the 2025 model has undergone a series of subtle but impactful updates. The front grille is more pronounced, giving the vehicle a stronger and more aggressive presence. The slim headlights feature angular LED elements, while the side profile incorporates smooth lines that enhance its aerodynamic qualities, helping to improve fuel efficiency and performance. At the rear, a fresh set of taillights complements the car's streamlined silhouette, while the new rear bumper design provides a more dynamic finish. Toyota offers the 2025 Corolla in a range of vibrant new colors, ensuring that drivers can find the right look to suit their style. Inside the 2025 Corolla, Toyota continues to impress with its dedication to quality and comfort. The cabin design is both practical and stylish, with high-quality materials used throughout. The dashboard has been simplified for better ease of use, with intuitive controls and a clear, easy-to-read instrument cluster. The steering wheel has been redesigned to offer a more comfortable grip, and it now includes integrated buttons for various controls. The seats are supportive, offering a comfortable ride for both short trips and long journeys. For those in the back seats, the Corolla provides decent space, though it might feel a little tight for taller passengers. However, the rear bench offers adequate room for daily commutes and errands, making it an excellent option for small families or those who frequently carpool. In terms of safety, the 2025 Corolla is loaded with Toyota's suite of advanced driver assistance systems, known as Toyota Safety Sense. The system includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning with lane tracing assist, automatic emergency braking, and pedestrian detection. These technologies work together to help prevent accidents and protect occupants in the event of a collision. Toyota also offers blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert on higher trims, further enhancing the car's safety features. The Corolla has received top marks in safety testing, making it one of the safest vehicles in its segment. The Corolla's practicality extends to its storage and versatility. The trunk offers a generous amount of space for a compact sedan, providing enough room for groceries, luggage, or sports equipment. For those who need more room, the rear seats fold down in a 60/40 split configuration, allowing you to expand the trunk space and carry larger items. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or just need to haul some extra gear, the Corolla can accommodate your needs. As for the market position, the 2025 Toyota Corolla continues to be a highly competitive player in the compact sedan segment. With a starting price of around $22,000 for the base model, it offers excellent value for money. The Corolla Hybrid, priced starting at $24,000, is a compelling option for eco-conscious buyers who want to save on fuel costs while reducing their carbon footprint. While the Corolla competes with other compact sedans like the Honda Civic, Hyundai Elantra, and Mazda 3, its reputation for reliability and affordability gives it a strong edge in the market. It's also worth noting that Toyota's reputation for durability means that the Corolla holds its value exceptionally well over time, making it a smart investment for buyers who want long-term dependability. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Corolla continues to deliver on its promise of providing a dependable, efficient, and affordable compact sedan. Whether you're looking for a car that excels in fuel economy, offers modern technology, or provides a comfortable and smooth ride, the Corolla checks all the boxes. Its thoughtful design, advanced safety features, and the availability of a hybrid powertrain make it a standout choice in the compact car segment. Thank you for tuning into Cars Trends. We hope you enjoyed this detailed review of the 2025 Toyota Corolla.